In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Steam coupon codes. By the end, you'll have a game in your cart, the coupon applied at checkout, and the purchase completed with the discount clearly shown. First, open Steam. Launch the Steam application on your computer and wait for the home screen to load. You'll see the main navigation along the top. Next, go to Store. Click the Store tab to open the Steam storefront. From here, navigate to the game you want to buy. You can click through featured titles or use the search bar if the game is already in mind. Open the game's store page so you can add it to your cart. Now add the game to Cart. On the game page, locate the purchase area and click Add to Cart. A small pop-up or a cart page will appear showing the item you just added. Take a quick look at the price so you can confirm the discount amount in a moment. Click Purchase for Myself. On the cart page, select the Purchase for Myself button. This takes you to the checkout screen for your Steam purchase. You'll see your order summary on the right or near the bottom, including the game title and the current total before any discount. On checkout, select Apply Discount/Coupon. Look for a link or button labeled Apply Discount, Apply Coupon, or Apply Discount/Coupon near the order summary. Click it. A field will appear where you can enter your Steam coupon code. Carefully type or paste the code, making sure there are no extra spaces before or after it. Then confirm by clicking Apply or the equivalent button on this screen. Watch the order total update. You should see the coupon line item appear and the new discounted total reflect immediately. If the discount doesn't show, recheck the code for typos and ensure you clicked Apply. Seeing the updated total here confirms the Steam coupon code is active on this order. Complete purchase. With the discount applied and the new total confirmed, proceed through the checkout to finish. Follow the on-screen prompts to finalize the payment. Before you click the final Confirm button, glance at the order summary one last time to make sure the coupon and the discounted price are still visible. Once you confirm, Steam processes the purchase and displays a completion message. The game will be added to your library, and you can begin downloading it from there. At this point, you've used a Steam coupon code during checkout, and the purchase is complete with the discount successfully applied. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.